Your destination to black-owned spirits.
It is day of Veda.
Guys, thank y'all so much, guys. As y'all seen on the yesterday's video on the mojito, we hit 200 subscribers. As of someone just subscribed literally like 2 minutes ago, we should be at 211, guys. So thank y'all so much for rocking with us. Thank you for all the new subscribers. Welcome aboard. If you're new to this channel, please go back and check out the other previous 13 videos on us making cocktails every day in the month of August. We're participating in Veda, vlog every day in August, and we're making your favorite cocktails using black-owned spirits. So if you're interested in cocktails and you want to support black-owned brands, this is the channel that you don't want to miss. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn that notification bell on all so you won't miss any of our new and exciting upcoming videos. Now, baby, tell me what we're making today.
Today's special is
LS
Mochaccino.
So we're using LS, which is a black-owned company started by
a woman.
It's a black-owned woman, and we're gonna get to a full review and brand coming up soon. But we didn't want to not miss showcasing this brand during this video run. So we're gonna still do a full review. We'll have mention the owner's name because I don't have the information in front of me now. But we're gonna do a full review. We will make more mixed drinks. Like I really want to do a White Russian, but Meet found this recipe on her website, YouTube channel, TikTok. Like this recipe is all over. So it's a mochaccino using LS. So without further ado, and it's gonna be something different for us because we got a blender and all that type of stuff.
I think y'all will like it.
Yeah, me trying to show out, child. Me trying to show out on this recipe, guys. So let's do a LS mochaccino.
Here's the finished product, but it's beginning to melt, so we have to hurry up and do a taste test.
Take a shirt out. All right, y'all, this is LS. LS mochaccino. See how the thing tastes, baby. This straw, I'm gonna get bigger straw. This is good. Baby, sit that thing. Damn, that straw, baby.
I think the chocolate shell froze the straw too.
This is fire. Nice little dessert cocktail after a nice little meal. This LS tastes like Bailey.
It
So
really does.
that's the purpose of this channel, y'all. We're giving y'all black option. There's no need to buy Baileys anymore. We got LS right here, black owned by a sister who needs all the other stuff. It's not even that expensive. It's like $20-something. It's not even that expensive.
It's a Haitian inspired liqueur, coffee liqueur. So this is, and you taste all the vanilla, the nutmeg, and coconut. Oh my goodness. Hope
You
I
did
didn't
that,
add
baby.
too much whipped cream. Look, y'all. I have to try this. Like seriously, you will love it. Almost
Ooh.
really. I'm gonna give it a 1 up. It's better than baby.
Man,
It's better than baby.
I can't wait to try this with like a white Russian.
Mm-hmm.
So she want to get this off. We may do another video before the 31 days on white
Y'all
Russian.
gonna get LS twice.
Or like, ooh, I got a hairbrush now. But or like I said, even after the 31 days is up, we're gonna continue making these cocktails. I think that's gonna be the new thing for the channel. Interviewing CEOs of these companies, reviewing these products, and then also giving you the black option. Like I said, this one you can make a white Russian.
Yeah.
You can make a mudslide with this. You can make like
That's what
like
it's
this.
beginning to taste like a mud because all the whipped cream milk.
Add some little vanilla ice cream. There's a little sprinkles in it, guys. So there's so much options you got with this, guys. Black option. Put it in the chat below. Black option, guys. So and it got a little kick to it. It's not strong, but got a little spice to it.
Yeah. That's a good combo right here, y'all.
So that's it, guys. I hope y'all like this recipe.
No, we hope you love this recipe.
Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell, that bing, so you stay notified whenever we drop new content. Follow us on Instagram, Sippin with Me Now, baby. Tell them the website.
It is shopmeteandi.com. Again, shopmeteandi.com.
Get the God First merch. Get the Dope and Real Life merch. Finally got a Sippin with Me Now cup, y'all. This is the world famous Sippin with Me Now cup. If you don't have this cup, how can you drink black options?
Your drinks don't taste right.
When you don't have the black cup, guys, you need your Sippin with Me Now cup, guys. This would increase the alcohol percentage by at least 5%, guys. I promise you, you drink something 35% proof, this is gonna take it to 40, guys. I promise. I don't know what this is what they streets say. This ain't what we say. This is what the streets say.
That's what the word on the street is.
These cups is magical. So y'all make sure y'all go to that website. If you buy a Sippin with Me Now t-shirt, you get a cup free, or you can buy the cup solo, guys. So check out all the merch on the website. And that's it, guys. We love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Salute to LS, and we out.